Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start a new lesson together. Start its fractions. Oh, when I speak about fractions, always I imagine pizza. Okay, imagine with me that I buy a big pizza. It's split into four equal parts. I eat one part. How can I represent this part? How many parts did I eat? I eat only one part from four parts. This is the fraction. This part from all the pizza is the fraction. And this shape is a fraction. The fraction is part from whole. Part from whole. It's a way to show apart from a whole. Okay, this shape is called one fourth or quarter, and this represents this part. The fraction is a way to show part from a whole. The fraction consists of numerator and denominator. This is numerator and this is denominator. This is the part I eat, and this is all the parts of the pizza. Let's take another example to understand more. If I told you that I bring one orange, then I found two of my friends. So I split this orange into three parts. Everyone have one part. So everyone take one part of three. And this is one third. This fraction called one third. When you split it something into three equal parts, then you eat one or sheltered one. This is called one third. Okay, while I'll go to my home, I buy a watermelon. When I reached my home, I split it into two parts and I eat one of these parts. So I eat half of the watermelon. This fraction is called half. Okay, now let's try together to know if we understand or not. I have a bar of chocolate consists of two square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I eat three parts. How can I represent these parts I eat? Excellent. Let's solve it together. I eat three parts. So my numerator will be 3. And all parts of this bar is 8. So my denominator will be 8. I eat 3 from 8. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Figure out what fraction of this red part on this shape. I will stand for your answer in your comments. Now, what is the unit fraction and what is the unity? The unit fraction is fraction which has numerator with 1. The unit fraction is the fraction which has numerator with 1. This part shaded here is fourth or 1/4 or quarter. 1/4. So this fraction has numerator with 1, so it's a unit fraction. Here I ate one part of the orange. I ate 1/3. So this fraction has a numerator of 1. So this is a unit fraction. The last one, I split the watermelon into 2 parts. I ate one part from the 2. So I ate half, which has a numerator of 1. So this is a unit fraction. Excellent. We determined together that the numerator represented the part I eat. If I eat the 4 parts of the pizza, so the numerator will be 4. I eat 4 from 4. So this means that I eat all the pizza. I eat one pizza. Okay? And we notice that the numerator here is equal to the denominator. This is the unity. If the numerator equal to the denominator, this will equal to 1 or unity. Let's take another example. If I ate the 3 parts of this orange, I ate the 3 parts of 3 parts. If I split the orange into 3 parts and I eat all the 3, not 1. So I eat one orange, one whole orange. If the numerator equal to the denominator, this means that it's equal to unity or 1. I eat all the watermelon, the 2 parts of the watermelon. So numerator equal to denominator, so it's equal to 1. We have types of fraction. Types of fraction is proper fraction. When can I say that this fraction is a proper fraction? I can say this when the numerator is less than denominator. Here, numerator is less than denominator, so it's proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator, so it's a proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator, so it's a proper fraction. Type 2 is improper fraction. What is the improper fraction? When I can say this fraction is an improper fraction, I can say this when the numerator is greater than the denominator. Let's see here, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator is bigger than denominator. Also here the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So it's improper fraction. Type 3 of fraction will be like and unlike fraction. What is the like fraction and unlike fraction? The like fraction have the same denominator. When I said 1/3 and 1 and 2/3, this fraction have the same denominator, so these fractions are like fractions. when I said 38 and 5/9, they are unlike fractions because they have different denominator. When the fractions have different denominator, I can say that they are unlike fractions. Okay, the last type with us is the mixed number. What is the mixed number? The mixed number is consists of whole number plus proper fraction. When I eat one orange and I still want it again, and I bring another one and divide it into two parts, then I eat one half. So I eat one orange, one whole orange, and a half of another one. This is the mixed number, which consists of whole number plus proper fraction. This is examples to train. I will solve two with you and will take the let the other for you. Here something we notice. I have two nines plus three nines. We note that the denominator here is the same. The denominator is this. Now, when we add or subtract fraction, what we can do? First, we determine together that we have a types of fraction. We will put the base that we will add and subtract today the fraction with the same denominator. We have the same denominator in this problem. We have 2 nines plus 3 nines. When we have fraction with the same denominator, we will put the denominator as it is. Then we will do the operation here. The operation is add, so we will add 2 plus 3 and put it in the numerator. And the denominator will be as it is. So here we add 2 plus 3 and give us 5, and the denominator is down here as it is. Another example, we have 3 11ths plus 5 11ths. So we will add 3 plus 5 and put it in the numerator, and the denominator will be 11 as it is. Excellent. I will leave this for you. Let's take example for subtraction. Here we have two fractions with the same denominator, which is 12, and in the numerator we have 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 will give us 7. So we have numerator of 7, and the denominator will be as it is, which is 12. Excellent. Another example, we have 6 tenths minus 5 tenths. So what we can do, we will determine 6 minus 5, which will be 1 in the numerator, and the denominator will be as the same, which is 10, and it will be 1 tenth. I will leave these problems for you, and in the next lecture we will take add and subtraction subtract fractions with different denominator. See you soon, our heroes. Goodbye.